Hi everybody, how are you doing? I hope all is well. I am here in front of the Cherry Grove Pier. I just finished taking some pictures on the beach, and I wanted to go ahead and come down and see how the pier was coming along, and guess what? It's connected. So it's not totally finished here, but it is connected. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Look at that, the sunset not too long ago. It's absolutely gorgeous here. And we have a connection. So you can see all the work that has come along. It's been a beautiful day here. It already is feeling like summer. And we get a lot of people here enjoying the beach, kids that are out there in the surf. But yeah, look at the Cherry Grove Pier. This is absolutely fabulous. So it's going to be all set for our busy tourist season. Should be completed even and ready to go out to the watchtower, the gazebo on the end by Memorial Day. So there'll be lots of families here enjoying the beach. Just as you see now, some spring breakers. And there is the Prince Towers. Alright everybody, so happy to go ahead and show you the Cherry Grove Pier and how it has come along. Just beautiful here. So hope all is well. Come on down to the beach, come on down to North Myrtle Beach, Cherry Grove, and before you know it, you're going to be able to head out on the pier, do some fishing, or just go ahead and enjoy being on the pier. All right, take care.